Yo, 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 it's Joe from Photos with Phones. Today we're here to talk about my ongoing idea for the Moment Invitational Film Festival. Let's get to it. So, what's the Moment Invitational Film Festival? Well, as you might have guessed, it's a film festival put on by Moment. There are over $150,000 in cash and gear prizes available. There are 9 different categories for you to enter. There's a 2-day filmmaking workshop that you can get access to. There's just a whole lot of good stuff. So I decided that it would be cool to create a 3-part video series, this being episode 1 of that, where we go from taking a conceptual idea for a short film submission to the Moment Invitational Film Festival from beginning to end. So this is the first episode in a 3-part series between now and the beginning of June when the film is due. So comment yes or no down below if this is something that you're interested in seeing the final result of. Yeah. So let's talk about my original idea for this film. So I was looking for an idea that was kind of a little bit personal to me, and that also had a little bit of like a shock value that would make you want to click on the video in the first place. And so what I settled on was, I actually settled on the name of what I wanted to do before anything else, which was I'm a Quitter. And as you'll see I'm going to show you the first iteration of the short film that I created. But as you'll see, I was a fairly successful amateur golfer. I played in college and did so pretty successfully. But I ended up having a job opportunity while I was in school, and I wanted to focus on being able to make money because I didn't want to be dependent on anybody but myself. And so I focused on school and the job, and I don't know, to some people, and maybe even to myself at times, I think of it as quitting. Other people might think of it as quitting, whatever it might be. But the point of why I wanted to make the film and my idea behind making the film that I ended up creating was that I am at the bottom of this mountain, and I'm telling you about my journey and the things that I quit to focus on other things that are really just different variants of the same dream. I just came to realizations as a person along the way that led me onto a different path. So we're gonna go ahead and watch the short film, I guess, and hopefully there's some good stuff in the nonsense that I've said in the last couple minutes. So let's get to it. Future Joe, roll it. I'm a quitter. I'm one who quits things. I haven't won in a while, and I'm not going to win for some time to come. However, I know these things, and I keep on keeping on. I was a golfer, and a damn good one. I won sometimes, but I quit to focus on my education. I got a degree and did quite well. I like to say I won, but I've never held a job with that degree. I quit trying to find one and started a business instead. My business hasn't made me $1 million. Hell, it doesn't even pay the majority of my bills. Sometimes I worry, in my moments of weakness, that I'll just quit this too. There are times I look in the mirror and see a quitter, a failure to some, and then I think of the most poignant words I've ever heard. Rather than love, rather than money, rather than fame, give me truth. My truth is that I'm not a golfer, though there was a time when I thought I was. I chased that dream until I realized that my path lay elsewhere. That's just God's honest truth. I don't even daydream about it anymore. I didn't quit on my dreams. I merely saw the truth in them, stepped onto a different path, and kept trudging ever onward towards a variation of the very same dream. You see, the word quit isn't always a bad thing, especially when in pursuit of the truth. Hell, commercials have been pretty high on people quitting cigarettes for some time, right? because the truth is that they suck. Why would I continue to do something that has a cancerous effect on my life, especially when the solution is as simple as taking a step in a different direction? Perhaps it's time that we understand that, in some circumstances, quitting isn't negative at all. In fact, it's liberating, albeit scary. It takes strength and courage to turn the page and begin anew. So I guess what I'm saying is that this short film is for all the other quitters out there. Keep quitting until you found something not worth quitting on, then get to friggin' work. That's all we got for you. If you feel like you got value from this video, go ahead and hit the like button down there. Definitely helps Fighters with Friends out a lot because it forces YouTube to show our videos to other people. Comment down below and let us know if you're submitting a film to the Moment Invitational Film Festival. I'd love to talk about your idea, and we can talk about my idea, and we just talk about our ideas. It'll be great. As always, subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell because we're coming out with twice weekly mobile photography and filmmaking tips, tricks, hacks, reviews, anything that you could possibly think of if you like taking photos and videos with your phone. So yeah. Bye.